What's going on, everybody? So let's talk about strategy for workout one. It's going to be a 7-minute AMRAP. The first thing you're going to do is a 500-meter row for time, and then the remainder of the 7 minutes, you're going to be doing burpees over the erg. Now, because there's technically two parts to this workout, the rowing and the burpees, you're going to still want to pace yourself. Although we still want to attack that row and get a good 500-meter time in, we don't want to go 100%, as we know that that's going to take a little bit away or a lot away from our burpees over the erg. Coach Will has strategically placed quite a few rowing workouts in this week, so this will be a really good time for you guys to practice your rowing technique, figure out what type of pace you want to maintain for that 500-meter row. It's going to be really important. Go in with the game plan. You are going to feel amazing at the beginning of your row. 100 meters in, you're going to feel like you can go faster. Still stick to your pace. If you get 300 or 400 meters in the row and you're feeling really, really good, then you can pick up a pace, but don't go in too hard. It's going to be a lot more difficult to rein it back in. When it comes to transitioning off of the rower into your burpees, if you want to focus on doing that quick transition, remember to point your toes up to the sky while pressing down on the clips, as that's going to be a fast way to exit the rower and go straight into your burpees. Little pro tip, before you do your first jump over the erg, remember to place the seat all the way to the front, as it's going to make it a lot more difficult if that seat is going back and forth. Now, depending how fast you do your 500-meter row, a lot of us are going to have a lot of time doing burpees over this erg. Maybe 5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes. If you've ever done burpees before, you know that this is a long time to do burpees straight. Once again, pick a pace and try to stick to it throughout the duration of your time doing those burpees. Another pro tip from an efficiency standpoint, remember when you're jumping back up from your burpee to do your best to land flat foot or on your heel, as this is going to be a much more efficient way to then jump over or step over that erg. The goal is to challenge ourselves in this workout and do that row quickly and do as many burpees as you can over the erg, but you need to remember that this is a marathon, not a sprint, and to make sure you're pacing yourself, controlling your heart rate, and obviously having a fun time. If you have any questions or maybe tips or tricks of your own of how you're going to attack this workout, make sure to comment down below. Boom!